Today there is a train for UP, a train named Shamit Express, as you all know. Right now I am at the near railway station. Okay, and you can see Goa police is taking initiative and making sure that they have a valid document. Now this is the other side of the railway station, you could say, near Ravan Font. Okay, here there are total 1,500 to 2,000 migrants want to go home. Yeah, I can see. Police are checking whether they have valid documents. Once they have a valid document, they are sending them to the other side and they are making them to sit over there. You can see how big is the line of the migrants. Some of them are other side here. You can see here all the police and doctors are there to take care and making sure everyone is safe and sound. Yes, sir. As you can see, they have been tested first, because with the temperature machine, and then they have been sent to go inside. A lot of hard work is being done by Government of Goa. Not only Goa police, at the same time the doctors and also the collector staff. As you can see, once they are tested, then they go ahead and check here what is the berth, which coach and which berth it is, and then they have been sent it to their respective berths. In total, 4 trains will be going from Goa. So 2 have already gone and another 2 are left to go.